how to get the widgets menu option in WordPress. So it should be right here over appearance, but I don't have widgets. How can we get it? The first thing that we need to do is we need to open up the theme file editor. If you don't have this option either, I will leave a link to a tutorial that I've done on how to get the theme file editor, but basically just click on theme file editor here. And then we want to go to theme functions. Now right here, what we're going to do is we're going to scroll all the way down to this line. Then we're going to press enter here, leave one space, and we want to copy and paste this code. This is from the original Elementor, website. So we just want to copy this code. Then I'm going to go back into WordPress and I'll right click and paste this code. Now what we have to do is we have to click on update file. File edited successfully. Okay, refresh your WordPress. And now, as you can see, under appearance, we have widgets. I really hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.